For part 3 of Mark's night at Dave's, I thought it would be fun to talk about some of the Canadian Pacific sets, specifically the Pennsylvania coal trains. But before we talk about those, I want to look at a fairly common set. It's also led by a Canadian Pacific 040. Comes with a wedge tender, cattle car, gondola, hopper, reefer, and the caboose. I've actually added the boxcar for a reason. It's because of the numbering system. A number 550 would be the wrecker, or crane, that you see there with the red boom. The 551 would be the wagon top tender. The 552 would be the Rock Island gondola. The 553 would be the Santa Fe tank car. The 554 would be the Northern Pacific hopper. The 555 that I've added is the Colorado and Southern reefer. And then the 556 is the caboose. Now for the Pennsylvania coal train. Most sets that I see come with a Pennsylvania Canadian Pacific style tender, 3 of the 567 dump cars, the 552 gondola, and the 556 caboose. Now the set that I have is a little bit different. It came in this box. It's called the 5025. And the difference with this set is it also came with a Canadian Pacific 040, but it came with a Canadian Pacific tender. And that seems a little unusual to me. It also came with 4 cars instead of 3, and no caboose. Let's look inside the box. Here's the set number 5025 on the side of the set box. Lifting the protective cover, we find the dump tray, which is more or less a big green cookie sheet. Then there is a black piece of sheet metal that allows the coal to slide down the side. This set comes with a controller for the dump shed that I will show you briefly. Curved track, crossing, straight track, transformer, wires, and in this corner is 2 manual switches. The dump shed looked like this. When a car full of coal was staged in front of the shed and the power was applied, these 2 arms would push the car, dumping the coal into the chute. I like to use black aquarium gravel for coal. So there you have it, the 3987 freight set, the 5025 Canadian Pacific coal set, and the 5288 Pennsylvania coal set.